guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox this beautiful Overdrive Amiga PCMCIA hard drive sidecar expansion thing. Isn't it just beautiful? Nice box. Look at the lines, how it just continues with the top of the lines there and down here. It's just wow. Everything about it is just wow. It's from 1995. It did cost about 1,000 Danish kroners back in 95. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Overdrive, guys, Overdrive. This unit combines an intelligent 3.5-inch IDE hard drive with the future in smart hard card interfaces, the PCMCIA slot. This makes for an incredible, convenient and simple to use data storage system. The PCMCIA interface allows removal and insertion of the unit at your convenience, making it both portable and adaptable. Wow, man, don't you just want to buy this? The hard drive comes pre-installed, ready to use, and the installation software comes included in the pack, which allows you to configure the hard drive to your own needs. Nice. Now, data transfer rates. This is beautiful. Average speed from the PCMCIA 2 megabytes per second, maximum 3 megabytes per second. Beautiful stuff, guys. These figures are dependent on the controller of the size of the drives. However, no matter which of the hard drives you buy, you will have one of the latest data storage systems available on the Amiga. Wow! Diese Angaben sind abhängig von dem Controller und der Festplatte. Dies ist gerade in jedem Fall eines der schnellsten im Amiga-Bereich verfügbaren Spielesysteme. Ja, es ist super geil. Alright guys, let's just give this one a go and open it. Nice. My favorite store when I was a little kid, Betaphone in Copenhagen in Denmark. Betaphone was, oh my god, I just loved that Amiga store. They had all the Amiga stuff that you could dream about, man. Wow. And I think the owner was called Klaus. I'm not sure, but wow, man. This is some great stuff. So this one was bought back in May of 1995. So this guy actually bought a 1.26 gigabyte 3.5-inch AT Maxtor hard disk for 2,400 Danish. Back in 95, that's a lot of money. He bought this Overdrive PCMCIA Amiga 1200 for 800 Danish. He bought a Blizzard 1220 4 megabyte 28.5 megahertz accelerator card for 1,800 Danish. I must have that accelerator card somewhere, and shipping 32 Danish, and that gave 5,100 Danish. And in Denmark we have to pay 25% VAT on top of everything, so that's 1,200. So this guy back in 95, he paid 6,400 Danish kroners. That's 900 euros, guys, in today's money. So that must be, yeah, an expensive purchase. Yeah, let's check out Rise and Shine because you guys know I love that demo. I love that music. All right. Betaphone, I miss you guys. Inside we got a disc that's called AQ Install, Amiga 600, Amiga 1200. Oh, it's also for the 600. Nice. We have got this manual that we have to read right now. It's really, really important. I think I have read 0 manuals in my life. Manuals are just waste of time. Never used it. I'm a plug and play type of guy. Inside we have got this beautiful stuff here. Maybe it's some sort of, I think this takes power from the Amiga and gives the hard disk power. Yeah, I'm guessing. I could read. I could sit down and read the manual, but who gives? Oh, this looks nice, guys. 2 seconds. Damn, it looks nice. Yeah. Plug like this and into the Amiga. I mean, come on, guys, this is nice. Wow. Absolutely wow. It looks amazing. It continues the Amiga's lines and makes the already top beautiful Amiga 1200 looks much more beautiful, man. I love this slick long design, and it makes it even longer with this overdrive inserted. Wow, guys, it's just wow everywhere. Everything about it is it looks num chocolate. It has got a blinking red light up here, and inside it has got ribbon cable and power cable for a 3.5-inch hard disk, and we have got holes for installing the Fastplatte hard disk. So I hope you enjoyed this one, this simple unboxing video. Amiquest and Overdrive from 1994. Man, this must have been... I wish I was a bit older back in the 90s. I was a little kid, but I wish I was a bit older and had the money to buy all this crazy stuff, man. But I'm enjoying all today, guys. I'm enjoying and sharing everything with you guys, and I hope you liked this unboxing video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to support my channel, check out my Patreon page. That would be also great. And until next time, I wish you all a great day out there. Bye.